Good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon. Ma'am, class to practical আসলে
মই ল'ম এটা ল'ম এতিয়া কিন্তু এতিয়া I'll start from first aid theory. ঠিক আছে?
okay
At least আজি মই 2-3 ক্লাছ ল'ম বুলি ভাবি আছো চাও এতিয়া কিবা কৰো ঠিক আছে ইমান দিন মই ল'ব পৰা নাই ন So first aid theory. ঠিক আছে? What was the last topic in first aid theory? First aid or definition, introduction হল হয় না? Nawaz?
yes ma'am
কি কি হৈছিলে আমাৰ first aid theory? Introduction, definition, তাৰপিছত
first
first aid theory.
ma'am first stage এইটো
Hmm?
theory এইখিনি হৈছে ma'am definition
Definition or introduction? এই দুটা
হয়
নহয় principles, golden principles এইবোৰ একো হোৱা নাই
নাই হোৱা ma'am
aims and objectives
নাই হোৱা
নাই হোৱা
triple P লৈ হৈছিলে
কি কি
triple P
the 3 P's principles
yes ma'am
principles
yes
হল ন
ma'am
কুশাল আৰু
preserve
কি
of
কি
life
হৈছিলে হুম
ma'am preserve of life prevent further harm
হুম
ma'am 3 P's লৈ হৈছিলে
3 P's principles আৰু কি কি হৈছিলে আমাৰ
ma'am bas
এইটোই না আচ্ছা এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ লিখা qualifications of first aider qualifications তোমালোকৰ videos on কৰিলে বহুত ভাল আছিলে please turn on your videos so that I can at least see qualifications of first aider qualifications 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 of first aider qualifications of first aider aider first point likha should be a good observer should be a good observer OBSERVER should be a good observer OBSERVER should be a good observer number 2 should be able to act quickly at a time of emergency lahe kaam korile nohobo okay you have to act quickly should be able to act quickly okwa
First number to কি আছিল
should be a good observer good 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 observer OBSERVER hey karone moi kolo tumalogor please turn on the videos number 2 should be able to act quickly videos on korile at least moi gom pam tumalogor videos on kole keneka hobo should be able to act quickly should be able to act quickly at a time of emergency lahe kaam korile nohobo thik ase should be able to act quickly number 3 should not get panic or excited should not get panic or excited panic 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 should not get panic or excited should not get panic or excited should not get panic or excited 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 number 4 should have the ability to lead and control the crowd should have the ability should have the ability to lead and control the crowd মানে overcrowding should be avoided ঠিক আছে so should have the ability to lead and control the crowd and take help from the onlookers and take help from the onlookers. Onlookers means at the time of emergency, there will be a crowd. Okay, there will be people standing nearby you, the bystanders. If help is required from them, you will have to ask for help. Number 5, should have self-confidence. Should have self-confidence. Should have self-confidence. Should have self-confidence. C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-C-E. Should have self-confidence. And ability to judge. Should have self-confidence and ability to judge. J-U-D-G-E, judge. At the time of emergency, mane, you have to know what you should do and what you should not. Okay, you should do it fast. You should not panic. You should not be excited, and you should be a good observer, and you should avoid overcrowding. Okay, these are some of the qualifications. Next, Likha, I will share a screen. Can you see the screen? Rules of first aid. Are you able to see the screen, Kushal?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, write down the rules of first aid. The point ase check, call, care. Aru etu diagram to akibo lagibo, okay? Check, call, care. First, tomorrow check koribo lagibo what had happened. Okay, or what is wrong with the patient. Next, call. Call means to whom you will call. Obviously, you will call for emergency help. Okay. Number 3 is care. You will have to care for the patient or the victim. Okay, rules of first aid. Pratham check, then call, and then care. The 3C, check, call, care. Check, call, care. All finished? Have you finished?
No, ma'am.
Okay, write fast. The rules of first aid. Pratham check koribo lagibo. Second, you will have to call for emergency help or the medical aid. Number 3 is you will have to care for the victim. Check, call, and care.
Check, call, and care. Okay.
These are the 3 important rules of first aid. Okay, unit 1 is all about the introduction, definition, aims and objectives, rules, qualification. Okay, unit 1 to just our introductory class on this now. From second chapter, we will study about few things again. Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Finish?
Yes.
Acha. Now you write down golden rules of first aid. Golden rules of first aid. In the golden rules, if I ask you golden rules, only rules, you will have to write check, call, and care. Golden rules, Hudile, these are the 9 points. First is, do first thing first, quickly, quietly, without fuss or panic. Number 2 is, you will have to assess the situation. You will have to give confidence to the victim. Okay, you will have to give assurance to the victim. And you will have to talk to him or her. Number 3 is, check ABC. ABC, A to tumar airway. B is for breathing. C is for circulation. The 4th point is, artificial respiratory. Start koribo lagibo if the breathing has stopped. Artificial respiratory means maybe through oxygen cylinder or by giving CPR. Okay, these are the artificial means. Number 5th point is, jodi any bleeding hoy, you have to stop the bleeding. Number 6 is, you will have to treat for shock. Shock we'll study in the next class. Okay, there's a whole new chapter, shock. Next, Do not allow people to crowd around. Mane, you will have to avoid overcrowding. Next is do not remove clothes unnecessarily. Mane, you have to maintain the privacy of the patient. Number 9 is arrange for transportation of the casualty. How will you arrange for transportation, Kushal? How will you arrange for transportation? Tumi kot call koribo lagibo?
Please, ma'am, again.
Huh?
Ma'am, ki koisa akoba koi diokson.
Arrange for transportation of the casualty. Transportation mane ki transportation? What call koribo lagibo?
Emergency. Emergency transportation 108.
Yes, correct. Or do not remove the clothes unnecessarily mane? You will have to maintain privacy of the person. Hoy na noy?
Hi.
Yes, yes,
Swali
ma'am.
hoy, Laura hoy. You will have to maintain privacy. Next is overcrowding should not be allowed. Treat for shock or class and my pasalom, okay. Then stop bleeding. Then artificial respiratory can be in the form of oxygen cylinder or else CPR technique. Then you will check for ABC, airway, breathing, circulation. Number second point is to assess the situation calmly, okay. You have to talk to the patient, you have to give assurance, you have to give confidence, okay. And the first point is do first thing first, quickly, quietly, without panic. Panic korile nohobo. Kotha pati asa, unmute yourself, mute yourself. Whole, finish?
No, ma'am.
Right, fast.
Ma'am.
Right, fast. So these are the golden rules of first aid. Okay. Rules hudile check call care ase and golden rules hudile 8 to 9 points. You will have to know. Monowar whole ne? Monowar Ali. Finish?
Mono finish.
Finish. Okay. Whole ne? Next you write down this. Indian Good Samaritan Protection Guidelines. These are the guidelines given by the Indian Good Samaritan. Okay. Write down. If I ask you in exam, what is the name of the protection guidelines? Then you will have to write Indian Good Samaritan Protection Guidelines. Itu guidelines hoy. Thik ase sarita guidelines ase which you will have to know. It was given in 2015, May 2015 in India.
Ma'am, hekin likhibo na lage upor khili.
Ha.
Upor khili likhibo na lage.
Gute likhibo lagibo. And these guidelines should be followed by hospitals, police, and other authorities for the protection of good Samaritans. You write down, then I will explain. Prothome likhi loba. हम देख लेगा कुछ लेना नहीं है कुछ नहीं देना कुछ नहीं लेना कुछ खाने का तुम डिवीजन दिखा लो हां एक वाली सुना और जाता और ले जाता हो मालिश करने को जल्दी जल्दी जाओ पानी गिरेगा ओए तो बात नहीं को आना और कुछ ना और कुछ आप है ले लो Finish writing? Have you finished? Whole name? Have you finished writing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Naima. So these are some of the guidelines given by the ministry, okay, in the year 2015, May 2015. And these guidelines should be followed in all the hospitals by the police authority and other authorities. Okay, hospital means it can be any hospital, government hospital, private hospital, nursing homes, okay, any kind of hospital, they should follow these guidelines, these 4 guidelines. Oi. Wow. Please write a bit fast. Finish whole. writing. So this is the Indian Good Samaritan Protection Guidelines. Okay, if I ask you the protection guideline, name of the protection guidelines, you will have to tell me Indian Good Samaritan Protection Guidelines. Okay, and it was given by the Gazette in India on May 2015. And these guidelines, it was Sarita guidelines, should be followed by all the hospitals. Okay, by the police authority and also other authorities. The first point, what is that? A good Samaritan, including an eyewitness of road accident, may take an injured to the nearest hospital and should be allowed to leave immediately. Means eyewitness means at the time of emergency, whoever have seen the accident, okay, he should take the victim to the nearest hospital. Okay, after taking the injured person to the hospital, the eyewitness will have to give his own address. Okay, নিজৰ address দিব লাগিব in the hospital. Okay, you will have to give your own address to the hospital authority. Number 2 is the bystander or good Samaritan. They will never be liable for any civil and criminal crime. Why? Because they have helped the victim. Okay, they are eyewitness and they have taken the patient to the hospital, so they will never be claimed against any kind of civil and criminal liabilities. The third point is you will have to call for emergency help. Okay, emergency help, emergency center call services, or you will have to call in the emergency services, as well as you will have to inform the police. Okay, you have to inform the police and also emergency services. You will have to call for help. Next is if any kind of response by the medical doctor at the time of emergency, it is not, if the medical doctor did not pay any care, okay, did not provide any help when you have taken him or her to the hospital, then those authorities, the medical doctors, will be constituted under the professional misconduct. Okay, they will be claimed for professional misconduct. So these are some simple 4 guidelines that was given by it was given in May 2015. Okay, please writing. Have you finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the name of the protection guideline?
Indian Good Samaritan Protection Guideline.
Samaritan Protection Guideline.
Okay, good. And what about if you are the eyewitness? Okay, Jodit, you are the eyewitness, then what will you do? Will you take the victim to the hospital or you won't take? Will you take the victim to the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then after that, should you provide your address? Tomorrow, need your address. Will you give
Yes,
it to
ma'am.
the hospital authority? Yes or no? Hmm? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And will you inform the police officers, police authority? Will you inform?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay. And when was it given? The Indian Good Samaritan Guidelines, when was it propounded? In the year 2015.
15.
15.
Which month?
May.
January, February, May, June?
May.
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 First May.
Okay. And if the medical doctor did not give you any care, if he didn't start the treatment, then what will happen? He will be against what? The last point which you have written, the 4th point.
Professional misconduct.
Professional misconduct.
Professional
Okay.
misconduct.
Yes, professional misconduct. Being a doctor, as you have helped the victim, being a doctor, if he doesn't pay any care, if he doesn't start the treatment as soon as possible, then he will be against the professional misconduct. Okay. And okay. So these are some of the things that you need to know. 1 minute, 1 minute. Then aims and objectives likisa na? Likisa na nai? Aims and objectives.
Aims. Nine.
Huh? Wait, let me share you one more screen. Did you write the aims and objectives, all of you? Do you have the aims and objectives? Aims and objectives আছে না নাই?
No, ma'am.
No na? Acha. So, can you see the screen?
I'm লিখিছো।
Yes.
Whole ito?
লিখিছো ma'am।
Aims and objectives whole, no?
হয় ma'am।
Okay,
Ma'am,
first
লিখিছো এইটো।
priorities, ito? First priorities?
হৈছে। হৈছে।
লিখিছো মেম।
What about principles? চাৰিটা
নাই
principles?
মেম, এইটো লিখা নাই। নাই
নাই?
লিখা মেম।
আচ্ছা, principles লিখি লোৱা, these 4 points. Principles to লিখা.
Ma'am, the headings to any principles of first aid.
হা, কোৱা?
Ma'am, heading to principle of first aid bullet.
Yes, principles of first aid. চাৰিটা point আছে. First, preserve life. Number 2 is protecting the casualty from further harm. Number 3 is prevent injury from becoming worse. The last point is symbol of first aid. Symbol to kenekwa hoy? A cross, white cross with a green color background. This is the symbol of first aid. Okay, this diagram. Just write down principles of first aid.
হেল্ল' মেম।
Hmm?
হেল্ল'।
Yes, কোৱা?
মেম, ইউনিট 1-ৰ গোটেই নোটখিনি PDF বনাই দিব পাৰিব নেকি? মানে মেম বহুতে এটেন্ড কৰা নাছিলে আগৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট।
Actually না,
নিউ
মোৰ
ষ্টুডেন্ট
notes মানে এটাত নাই। মানে সব বেলেগ আছে, মানে খেলি মেলি হৈ আছে, মানে সেই কাৰণ তোমালোকৰ বুজি নাপাব, মানে কনফিউজ হৈ যাব। সেইটোৱে। কিয় ষ্টাৰ্টিঙৰ পৰা কি হ'ল?
নহয় মেম, মানে
এটেন্ড কৰা
নিউ
নাছিলে নেকি
ষ্টুডেন্ট
ক্লাছ?
কিছুমান জইন কৰিছে, নতুন ষ্টুডেন্ট কিছুমান। মানে মোক
তোমালোকৰ
সুধি
দি
আছে
দিবা।
পাছৰ। ঠিক আছে মেম।
নতুন ষ্টুডেন্টছ আৰু জইন কৰিছে?
হয় মেম, 2জনমান জইন কৰিছে।
নতুন এডমিশন নেকি?
হয় চাগে।
অ'। আমাৰ হেৰি PSM practicalsৰ vital signs on temperature হৈছে নে নাই?
হৈছে মেম, ভাইটেল চাইন্স হৈছে মেম।
হৈছে মেম।
Temperature হ'ল ন?
হৈছে মেম।
হৈছে।
Pulse?
হৈছে মেম।
হৈছে মেম।
মই লৈছিলো ন? এই নোটছ খিনি তোমালোকৰ লিখি লোৱা, okay? These are just practicals. আৰু মই এটা ভিডিঅ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিম তোমাৰ লগত, টেম্পাৰেচাৰ আৰু পালছৰ। You can see the video. এইটো practical videos হয়, ঠিক আছে? I will share that video in your WhatsApp. Okay, Nawaz? তাৰপিছত এইটো লিখা, তাৰপিছত I will, again you join the class, I will take PSM theory. হ'ব? After this class, তোমালোকে আকৌ join কৰিবা, I will take PSM theory. এইটো তোমাৰ first aid হয় ন? Unit 1 hack, okay? Unit 1 is over. In the next class, we will discuss Unit 2.
মেম, সেম লিংক ন?
Oh, link to same.
ঠিক আছে ma'am.
Hmm. Whole name finish principles.
Nine, ma'am.
How are you all? Sobe bhale ase no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Friends.
বেশি ভাল নহয়
Huh?
ভাল নহয় ma'am.
Kyo? Ga beya?
হয়
হাত
ma'am.
কাটিছে
Ha ha?
হাত কাটিছে মোৰ
Oh. কি হল? তোমাৰ first aid লাগিব তেনেহলে?
হয়
First aid box.
আপোনাৰ ভাল
Oh, মোৰো ভাল। অকমান গা বেয়া আছিলে এতিয়া ভালে। তোমালোকৰ কৰিছা নেকি কৰোনা টেষ্ট?
নাই কৰা মেম।
অ',
মেম আপোনালোক কেতিয়ালৈ আহিব ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি?
ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি মই এইদিনামান যোৱা নাই বিকজ আমাৰ তাত ৱৰ্ক ফ্ৰম হোম দিছে। So maybe after পূজাৰ পিছত যাম।
আমালোকৰ ইফালে কৰোণা নাই
মেম পূজাৰ পাছতে ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি ওপেন হোৱাৰ কিবা চান্স আছে নে?
হা?
পূজাৰ পিছত ওপেন
এইটো
আফটাৰ
sure
পূজা
নহয়।
ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি ওপেন হ'ব নেকি?
সেইটো মানে sure হোৱা নাই, নটিচ দিয়া নাই এতিয়াও। কিন্তু শুনিছিলো ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইয়াৰ নৱেম্বৰৰ পৰা আহিব পাৰিব নেকি এনেকুৱা কিবা কোৱা নাই একো নটিচ দিয়া নাই আমাক আহিলে ভাল হ'ব ফেচ টু ফেচ ইন্টাৰেকশন ভাল হয় ন more than এইটো অনলাইন ক্লাসও ভাল হয় কিন্তু ফেচ টু ফেচ হলে বেশি ভাল
মেম মেম আমাৰ ফাইনেল এক্সাম সেমিস্টাৰ এভৰি সেমিস্টাৰ
কি
মেম আমাৰ থিওৰি ফাইনেল এক্সামিনেশনটো এভৰি সেমিস্টাৰত হ'ব নে এভৰি ইয়াৰত হ'ব?
after every semester এইটো semester clear কৰিলে next semester তুমি ভালকে দিব লাগি পাৰিব নহলে back papers পাব আৰু compartment পালে বহুত দিগদাৰি ঠিক আছে try to finish up at one go compartment নহলে বহুত দিগদাৰি হয় back papers next semester তুমি prepare কৰিবা নে আগৰ semesterটো clear কৰি থাকিব so first place ওতে মানে try to clear all the subjects হল নে
প্ৰেক্টিকেলৰ অনলি কপি কেটা সাবমিট কৰিলে হ'ব না প্ৰেক্টিকেলৰ আকৌ এক্সট্ৰা এক্সাম পাতিব
exam আছে তো তোমাৰ practical theory সব exam practicalsৰ বেলেগকে exam ভাইবা আহিব ভাইবা আৰু practicals মানে তুমি নিজে কৰা দেখাব লাগিব আৰু ভাইবা মানে face to face তোমাৰ questions হলে তুমি answer দিব পাৰিব লাগিব নহলে বেক পাব আৰু কি ভালকে পঢ়া startingৰ পৰা এতিয়াৰ পৰা তোমালোকৰ আৰম্ভ কৰা study well for your exams whole name principles okay so first tomar preserve life okay preserve life of both the casualty mane victim or the patient and the rescuer mane the person who have saved the casualty you have to preserve life of both second is protecting the casualty from further harm third is prevent injury or illness from becoming worse means treatment to start you have to start the treatment as soon as possible okay so that the condition might not get worse the last is symbol of first aid to ki hoy at a white cross with a green background okay Is it okay?
मैम वॉइस क्लियर ना है
Hello. Acha. See, so a symbol
Yes.
of first aid.
Yes,
The ISO specified symbol of first aid is a white cross with a white green background. So ISO full form to ki hoy? ISO full form hoy International Organization for Standardization. Okay. The full form of ISO is International Organization for Standardization. Full form of International Organization for Standardization. This is the full form of ISO. মনত ৰাখিবা।
মেম তেনেহলে ওটো তো আগত আহি গল নেকি
हेलो मैम
Okay.
हेलो मैम
Please join again. Join the class again.
हेलो मैम
Join কৰা আকৌ join কৰা মোৰ less than 1 minute বাকি আছে।
ওকে মেম
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Meeting to cancel কৰি দিয়ক, ma'am.